Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah barakatuh. Today I will talk a very important subject, especially beside the bend. When you go straight and you see sign bend to the right, look at the picture. Look at the picture. The bend taking you to the right, you must take to the left. Why you take to the left? Because the weight of the body will go in the other side. Stable your hand. Reduce your speed before you enter the bend. Number 1, position. Number 2, speed. Number 3, gear. Number 4, don't use brake or petrol. Stay as you are. This is very important. If you are going the bend in the right, you to go to the left to have good vision. You can see what's there. And if you are going to the right, you take the left position to see what's going on. That's why in the bend you can see this traffic sign saying bend in the head. So reduce your speed before you reach there. Correct position, correct speed, correct gear, and stable on the speed 70, 60, and no use the brake, no use petrol, stable on that speed. We see so many cars happen accident. Why in the bend? Because they don't know what to do. I hope my video is clear.